Hi, I'm Dave Donito here to talk to you about the new developments with the Dodge Global Network. One of the great new features of the new Dodge Global Network is the ability to do keyword search of the plans or the schematic drawings. Simple keyword searches of the drawings and plans put your reps in front of the projects they need to be bidding today so that you can win today. And now the Dodge Global Network is completely mobile. Your sales reps don't need to be tied to their office working off their computers any longer. They can be at a job site with a customer or in an airport working off a tablet. They'll be alerted to spec alerts that come through when you're specified on a bidding project, or for project alerts or firms that they need to be working on now to win business today and to build their pipeline for the future tomorrow. And with the new Dodge Global Network, we're connecting you with over 27,000 international related firms working on nearly $5 trillion worth of construction activity. The new Dodge Global Network opens up a world of possibilities and opportunities for you and your business. Just imagine the scale and growth opportunities by connecting with these construction projects and firms. So if you're serious about international, now's the time to do it. So if you want to see how the new Dodge Global Network can help you sell smarter and sell more, please give us a call and we'll set up a customized demo. Thank you.